welcome back to Blakewrtv Kitchen. Today guys, we have a good recipe for you here. Today we're doing an oven roasted chicken. Yes guy, you heard me right. An oven roasted delicious chicken we are making today. As you can see here, we have our chicken. It's a nice big chicken, probably like about 5 pounds. This is a huge chicken. And over here, here's our season that we are using. We're using some Complete season over here. We have some olive oil. We're gonna just base it with it. And we have our black pepper, we have our jerk season, we have our jerk marinade season, and we have some Saturn's poultry season and some browning, some Grace browning. That's all we're gonna put on it today. And then we're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna roast it on a grill inside the oven, guys. It's gonna be delicious. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of my Complete season on here. And today we're not gonna do any measurement. Just gonna put a little bit in here. Get the chicken all seasoned up. You guys, I have some Southern chicken season right here. And when you're seasoning your chicken, guys, be careful how much seasoning you put on it, because some of these seasons have salt in them, and if you put too much seasoning on them, your meat becomes salty. So you got to be careful to go light with your seasoning. Okay guys, this is my black pepper. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on it. Not too much. Just a little bit. And we're not going to make this too peppery or too spicy. Just to give it a little bit of kick. A little bit of flavor from the black pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and get me a little bit of jerk season right here. The jerk season, you just put it on it. And just rub it in. It's good to get your hand. Don't be scared to get your hands on the meat, because you need to get your season rubbed in properly. So get this the season underneath the skin and into the chicken. You don't want to just rub it on top, you want to get it all the way in. So we're gonna put a little bit of jerk marinade season on here. Just give it a little flavor. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on it and just rub it in. Don't be scared to put your hands in it. Okay guys, we have a nice sized onion here. We're going ahead, let's cut the onion. We use this onion to stuff our chicken. Give it that nice onion flavor in there. Okay guys, for the onion you can just cut it. Just drop it in just like that. We're going to take the onion and we just stuff it inside of the chicken, just like that. Get the onion in there. Just put the onion right inside of the chicken. Okay guys, we have some browning here. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of browning. The browning does change the texture of the chicken. It does make it, give it that nice color. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. Okay guys, we have some pimento here. Some pimento bean. Here's the pimento. Let's go ahead and put some pimento bean and we're gonna crush those pimento. Okay guys, so just put the pimento bean in your hand like this and just sprinkle it. Just let us garnish it like that. Get some of the bean inside of it. Make sure you get some bean in here and on the back side, just like that.
What we doing now?
Okay, so right now we're gonna take this grill and we're gonna put some file paper over it. So we want all the juice from the chicken to run through this mesh right here. So that way the chicken don't sit into the juice when we are baking it. So we're gonna take this, cover it up just like that. We'll get a knife and we're gonna just bore some hole through here. Just do like this, hole. We want the juice to run through. So just like that.
What's the next step?
Okay, the next step is just to take the chicken, but first you get some cooking spray. And you want to spray this on a little bit, just like that. Get a little bit of spray. And then you're going to take your nice chicken and you're going to put it on the back side, just like that, on the tray. And then you're gonna put that in the oven.
Okay.
You're gonna take a little bit of this sauce and just pour it over it, just like that. So all that sauce can get down in the breast. Look at that. Delicious already.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it over here on this tray, just like that.
Okay, explain a little bit more why you did this here. I see you popped some holes into this tray. What was your reasoning for that?
Okay, so the reason why I put the hole in the tray, because when you start to bake the chicken, it's gonna have juice from the chicken. All the fat is gonna come from the chicken, and we want the fat to go through the hole into the file paper. And once the oil start to drain through the hole in the file paper, it's gonna go straight through this pan and in this container. So therefore, our chicken can bake without having any juice around it.
Okay.
So we can get a nice golden brown color to it. And we're gonna put it in the oven for about 45 minutes.
What temperature have you set the oven to?
Well, we're gonna set the oven for 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. We're gonna check it within 30 minutes, but it's gonna be in there for about 45 minutes. Okay, here we go. In 30 minutes, we're gonna check it.
Guys, our baked chicken has exited the oven, and this is how it's looking. All juicy and glazed nicely.
Golden brown.
Yep. So,
Okay.
what's next?
Okay, the next, we just take it out the oven, so we're gonna flip it over. This side look nice, golden brown, the color what we need. We're gonna flip it on the back, and then we're gonna put it back in the oven again. And this time we want it to get the same color we get on the back, right here.
Side.
Yes. A little baster, and reason why we saved this because we know we was gonna get to this point where we have to put it back in the oven on the other side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit more seasoning on this side to get it nice and delicious, just like the golden side that we have on the front, on the breast. There we go. Look at that, guys. Yes, guys. My roast chicken is fresh out the oven, guys. This chicken is roasted very nice, very crispy. I just base it with some gravy. It's very nice, guys. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken with all the herbs and spices on top of it. That's a delicious roast chicken. That is a roasted chicken, guys. That is a nice chicken. Nice, delicious chicken, guys. Ready for the family. Easy dinner. Hey guys, thank you for watching my rotisserie chicken. Please head over and check out my Rasta Pasta jerk chicken. I think you guys may love this video. It's very delicious.